Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my February month's favorite, and it's related to skincare. First of all, I want to share this body butter. It's from Glow for a Cause. It's really smells heaven. I really like this. It is a sample product, but I really like it, so it's my favorite these days. And after that, I think it's Ultra Repair Cream. It's a moisturizer for dry parched skin, intense hydration, and it's very good. It's from First Aid Beauty, and I think everybody knows it. It's very good. I like it. And another thing which is favorite these days, it's Doremiel Organics. It's organic honey gentle cleansing jelly, and it is very good. Can you see that? The packaging is very good, and the product itself is very good. It smells like very fruity and very pleasant, and my skin becomes so clean, so fresh. And this is one of my favorite face wash these days. And after that, I use, not on the daily purpose, but I use it. It's a Dr. Brant. Can you see that? It is also in a small size. It's a Dr. Brant PoreDermabrasion. It is for exfoliating your skin, because my skin have some issues and I use it. I really recommend this. It smells very good and it's really worth the price, so I like it. And after that, I am going to share this Pixy Glow Tonic. It is also in a small size. Can you see that, the bottle? And it's very good toner, and because I use different kind of toners in the back, and they used to dry my skin a lot, but this not dry my skin. And it says it's 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner, but it's really good. I like it. And another one of my favorite, it's a glow mist from Pixy. Yeah, can you see that? I think when I saw this on the shelf, and the product came into my mind is MAC Perfecting Spray. It's like that, and it's a glow mist, and it's very good with propolis and argan oil. And what he said, it's nourishing mist. It's for hydrating also. It keeps your skin so much hydrated in winters, and I really like it. And after that, I want to share this charcoal mask. When you are following me on my social media accounts, you know that this is one of my favorite product these days. This is very good. This keeps your skin super clean, super fresh, and it says it's unclogged pores and lift away impurities. It is very, very correct, and they done all that work which is written on the packet, so I like it. And another thing from Global Beauty Care is cleansing nose strips. These are also charcoal strips, and I like it. It's work in 10 minutes and it's really clean my nose, so I really recommend this. And these two products is very cheap. I found in my Dollarama these products, so I really like both of them. And all my skincare products is really expensive, so these I consider separate skincare. And after these my skincare, I want to share this lip scrub. It's a vanilla cream and it's from Naked Cosmetics. It smells really good because vanilla, it contains vanilla, and I think it the brown sugar also. I think it says it contain palm kernel oil and bee wax, avocado oil, and vitamin E, and fragrance and etc. I really like this lip scrub, and it comes in my I think Ipsy subscription box, so I really like this product. These are my skin care products because you asked me several times what are my favorite products, and these are my February favorite skincare products. So that's all my video. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. Till my next video, bye.